We're standing here again while everything feels tense. Bills climbing up the wall and rent don't make no sense. And you keep saying leave it, this place is breaking down. Like hope is out of gas and peace can't be found. They push us left, push us right, keep us stuck in a fight, feed us fear every day, keep us up every night. But even here there's a chance, maybe 1 out of 10. And time don't race ahead, but it moves again. And I stay right where I wanna be. And yeah, I'm scared sometimes, but I stay for my people here. I stay so we can live. I stay. You say the world got colder since the sickness came. Too many losses, too much grief, too many people blame. You say the headlines poison us, the screens don't let us rest, and everybody's yelling like they know what's best. Oh, rumors in the sky, poison in the feed, anger in the streets, but love is what we need. Run, sail, fly anyway away from all this noise, but I won't let this madness steal our girls and boys. But I stay right where I wanna be. And yeah, I'm scared sometimes, but I stay for my people here. I stay so we can live. I stay. Oh, no hate, no violence, no blood in the street, no you versus me. Nah, we make it we. Different stories, same heartbeat, same ground, same sky. We don't have to agree to stand side by side. Hold the line with kindness, let the anger fade. We can rebuild a home from the promises we made. The soil like my family name. I've seen the highs and lows and I'm still not ashamed. I've learned to stand with courage when the lights burn dim, and when the world feels heavy we lift it up again. I'm not alone in this, sometimes I see my own neighbors, strangers helping like we've always known. And when that final bell rings out across the land, if I'm still here breathing, you'll find me where I stand. 'Cause I